Hi all, today we have discussed about the topic linear programming in manufacturing. This is a real life example.
Firstly, what is linear programming? Linear programming is a mathematical method that is used to determine the best possible outcome or solution from a given set of parameters or list of requirements, which are represented in a form of linear relationship. It is most often is used in computer modeling or simulation in order to find the best solution in allocating finite resources such as money, energy, manpower, machine resources, time, space, and many other variables. In most cases, the best outcome needed from a linear programming is maximum profit or lowest cost. In this session, we discuss the application of linear programming in manufacturing field, the considering a problem statement. A manufacturing company make two models A and B of a product. Each piece of model A requires 9 labor hours for fabricating and 1 labor hour for finishing. Each piece of models B requires 12 labor hours for fabricating and 3 labor hour for finishing. For fabricating and finishing, the maximum labor hour available are 180 and 30 respectively. The company makes a profit of rupees 8,000 on each piece of model A and rupees 12,000 on each piece of model B. How many pieces of model A and model B should be manufactured per week to realize a maximum profit, and what is the maximum profit per week? Converting the above problem into a table, then we can see that formulation of linear problem, and first step is identify the decision variables. Well, the number of pieces of model A to be X and the number of pieces of model to be B to be Y. X and Y are my decision variables. Step 2. Write the objective function. We need to maximize profit, hence functions used here will be maximize Z. Profit on model A become rupees 8,000 and profit on B model B is 12,000, and the maximize Z is equal to 8,000x plus 12,000y. According to the equation, writing the constraints, 3x plus 4y less than or is equal to 60 and x plus 3y less than or is equal to 30. Step 4, hence the non-negativity restriction. The value of x and y will be greater than or equal to 0. This goes without saying. X greater than or is equal to 0, y greater than or is equal to 0. We have formulated our linear problem. It's time to solve it. Step 5, solving by graphical method. To plot for the graph for the above equation, firstly I will simply hold the equation 9x plus 12y less than or is equal to 180 can be simplified to 3x plus 4y less than or is equal to 60, and the second equation it is simplified form is x plus 3y less than or is equal to 30, and put x become 0 in 3x plus 4y less than or is equal to 60 in the equation 1, then y become 15 and and y become 0, then x is equal to 12, and the second equation put x is equal to 0, then y value is 10 and y become 0, then the x value is 30. The optimal feasible solution is achieved at the point of intersection where the fabricating and finishing constraints are active. This means the point at which the equation 3x plus 4y less than or is equal to 60 and x plus 3y less than or is equal to 30 intersect give us the optimum solution. We can see that the blue color region is an optimum feasible solution, uh, and considering checking whether the corner point of the feasible solution. This is a step 6. We can see that the corner points are 20, 0, 12, 6 and 0, 10. We put the value of x, it become 20, 0 become 1,60,000 and corner point 12, 6 it z value become 1,68,000 and the corner points become 0, 10 it will z value is 1,20,000. Hence the profit will be maximized if the company produces 12 pieces of model A and 6 pieces of model B, and the maximum profit is 1,68,000.
This is all about the linear programming. Thank you.